guys, more sounds coming in the video, like, comment and subscribe. Walk one peeps, are we there with another?
Can you make me happy come home? Tell you alone. Sit down on the coffee like I see you for your throne. Tell your pussy pretty son I put you to my phone. Bob up on the and me love it when you're on that if you're on the dead. They come with a stone.
What you doing, Sean?
But as usual guys, right before we get tonight, just remember to like, comment, share and subscribe because it really helps out the Jamaican YouTuber for sure. But anyway peeps, no more itching. Right into it. Alright peeps, first video I kick it off right now and happy Thursday to you beautiful people. We never got itch. So these are those little clips of videos with pretty much people are breach the disaster act. So from people now wear their mask to party goers, and clearly you can see some people just not business, some people just have fun with it and just do them things. So here we'll just get right tonight, no itching, and make we see what I go and pan them little piece of clips here. Yes man.
Good afternoon. It is Professor Whitelock reporting here at the party. People are still partying. They refuse to leave. When they refused to leave, the policemen came. 4 women escaped. That's all for now. Goodbye. Go up another truck. More on this go for thing called. I wonder if none of them are going to run up. The hoodie the night. The hoodie we have one in there.
Yeah, we done chuck your fuck! No, what did we do? No, man, we don't have it there, you. We don't have it there before, now. Everything good, man. Yo, no, we don't chuck in the real life. We don't chuck. Watch out. Yo!
So pretty much no man not take nothing serious man. You see man them I seen a while ago. Man say we in a truck for in a real life. Like a joke thing. Yo, wanna comment down below and let me know your thoughts on all of this what just happened a while ago. That because them dudes be tripping bruh. What?
All we would have had to do is have money in the podcast in Jamaica.
Y'all got nothing to sit on no more.
Shit, I found me a spot right here.
we trying to figure out how to get them chairs off the dining room table because you passed your place because we gotta sit down. And I'm cutting them.
Cutting the pussy clot.
You're not like that. We cutting them.
We cutting them with the scissors. And when you come to the dining room, the chairs are gonna be on the floor. We sitting on them.
Period.
He's already can't go back in.
He's already in here, and we're gonna do it.
No, don't make me go get the chair like when I eat the table tomorrow. Don't
Huh?
make me do that.
What?
Don't make me go get the chair like when I eat the table tomorrow.
For what?
For the chair.
But those chairs don't even belong in the dining room because it's not a part of the dining room set.
No, me don't want them in there. Me don't want nobody in there.
Why?
Now who walk out the disco store and walk out the arm store and go all over and come back home clean in there? You mad?
This is not the roll you.
I'm buying everything. You mad?
But we're gonna cut it anyway.
This is not the roll you. Calm down.
Yeah, we're gonna cut it anyway.
When you come out of this blood clot, when you come out here.
That's it.
Come out
I like
of this
these.
blood clot when I call the police. No pussy hole in here, no come out of here. Excuse me. Come out of here. No come out of this blood clot. I mean, I want to post panic. I mean, I love police. Check them out.
It's my stuff. Why you throwing my stuff out?
Must be, you come and come. You see what I talk about?
We just got here.
Me just buy this blood clot here. Me just go buy here. And Bobby's me take that to go buy. And Bobby see this one short and where
This is so not like you.
Yes.
Why you behaving like this? Why you behaving like this?
This is so not like you.
This is so not like you. Why you doing this?
You don't want nobody in this blood clot. Straight to blood clot.
Why you do this Hennessy? You doing the Hennessy?
Hennessy shouldn't be on here.
Doing my car.
You doing the Hennessy?
Yeah, you doing my cup. Me name knows that for you. Oh gosh. And blood clot habit, they know you hear me see. Because you know what me do, me go always to go buy.
Damn, the Hennessy
me don't
gone.
me don't want no pussy wall in here. Cause they don't help me clean. And don't help me do nothing.
Oh! Somebody, oh! He needs some milk.
Voila. So grandma have the chair them on the living room table and she chain up the mattress them together. Grandma frustrated because grandma say nobody na help her clean and it look like maybe one of them carry one boy come there or something. Me no know, but them a give you trouble. But grandma chain up everything. And grandma cuss out there. You know see how grandma wrap all the cheer them and everything. Father God.
But me feel like an astronaut going through space.
Astronaut going through space.
How that be?
Man, no. Alright, you know, say astronaut type people me go in the sky at night and go turn on like the moon and the morning time and turn on the sun.
Yeah,
so imagine a man feel like them the way I go up in the sky, brother. Man, yeah, man, lyrical, brother.
Waste man alone save money. A real man give a man everything. And then for hungry. Right there so.
Wow. Hope you enjoy them video the and ting. Yeah. Happy Thursday to y'all beautiful people. Big up on yourself. Yeah. My thoughts on them video the and ting is yo. Them people they take the disaster act serious. As me say, I mean never stop ask people again. Try to figure out the future you want to set for the future generation and the children them. You know what I mean? Because if everybody dead because of the big C, yeah, you know what's gonna happen. There ain't no future. You know what I mean? Party still a keep. Can clearly see. I don't know exactly that location is. It look familiar still, but yeah. Based on where you can see on them clip there. And that are going right now and them scoop up everybody. Gone with them. The rest of the people them now wearing a mask. Show them in our truck and man I celebrate. Yo, we in our truck in our real life. Like it's funny, it's not funny, brother. It's not funny. You have to be responsible. You know what I mean? And me want the case them go down. Yo, we're not tired to lock up in the yard. We know go somewhere. You know what I mean? No one go to event or something like that, go beach and go have fun. And so me as a director and as a shooter, as a videographer and a cinematographer, me want to go out again. Me want shoot, film and all them stuff there, have fun and be able to hug my friend them and all them things. I'm tired of this mass thing where look like scaption every day. Excellent. You know what I mean? All them things there. I'm tired of that still. But grandma, you ain't playing. Grandma chain up everything and says, you know, help clean and not do nothing. So you what me I chain up everything when I can't use nothing. You want to preserve me thing them. Tight, cover up our thing them. And she already for call police. Ah boy. But anyway, peeps. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all the greatest in the world. And as always, we're gonna just go on journey with the boy. Yeah, as a matter of fact, yo, check out my whisper challenge video there, man. My reaction video before that and thing, yeah. So go check them out with me and my sinus. Know what I mean? So just go on journey with the boy. I love you guys very much. And remember that nothing can stop us. Cause God will rock. Go on journey with your boy. Hey!
Yeah.